What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is the PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WV-109144-9, unable to connect to the server. It's a network error. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen, and you must go to the settings. Here is the settings, and then user and account. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not. Then go to the login settings. Here you check your console is logged in or not, and then you just get back to the network and go view PlayStation Network services. Sometimes the server is down under the maintenance. That's why you get this error. If all is working good here, then you have a local internet problem. If you get the right option, you just wait, so it will fix this up automatically. And you must go to the setup your own internet connection. Here is the frequency set. It go to the advanced settings and DNS settings and TU settings. You set it manually which one is working good in your country. Just set it here, the code, and connect with the new connection. I use a LAN WAN cable and do the same settings, and you will get the better speed than the Wi-Fi if you use a LAN WAN cable. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.